Welcome dear friends, in this video we will discuss part 1 of the pair of words from CC's English paper of the year 2015. So let's start. Plaintiff and plaintiff. Plaintiff means a person or party who brings a case against another in a court of law. यानी एक शख्स या फरीक जो किसी दूसरे शख्स या फरीक के खिलाफ अदालत में मुकदमा लाता है या सिंपली मुद्दई. Its synonyms are accuser, complainant, claimant. Example sentences. The plaintiff alleged that the company had breached the contract by failing to deliver the agreed upon goods. Plaintive. It means expressing sorrow or melancholy, having a mournful or sad tone. यानी गम या उदासी का इजहार करना या सोगवार या उदास लहजा. Its synonyms are mournful, woeful, melancholic. Example sentences. The plaintive melody of the violin echoed through the empty hall, conveying a sense of deep sadness. Valet and varlet. Valet means a personal servant, often responsible for taking care of someone's clothing, personal belongings, and sometimes providing additional services such as running errands or driving. यानी इसका मतलब है एक ज़ाती नौकर जो अक्सर किसी के लिबास ज़ाती सामान की देखभाल के लिए ज़िम्मेदार होता है और बाज़ औक़ात इजाफ़ी खिदमात भी फराम करता है, जैसे कि छोटे मोटे काम करना या गाड़ी चलाना. Its synonyms are man servant, gentleman's gentleman, personal attendant. Example sentences. The wealthy businessman hired a valet to ensure his suits were impeccably tailored and his car was always ready. Varlet. Varlet is an archaic term that originally meant a servant or attendant, but later evolved into a derogatory term for a knave, rascal or untrustworthy person. वारलेट एक कदीम इस्तिलाह है और शुरू में इसका असल मतलब एक नौकर या खिदमतगार का था, लेकिन बाद में इसका मतलब तब्दील हो गया और इसका मतलब बन गया बदमाश, नाकाबिल एतमाद शख्स. ये एक तौहीन अमीज़ इस्तिलाह बन गई. Its synonyms are scoundrel, rogue and rascal. Example sentences. The cunning varlet tricked unsuspecting travelers into parting with their valuables on the pretext of providing assistance. Monitor and mentor. Monitor means to observe, supervise or keep track of something. यानी किसी चीज़ का मुशाहिदा या निगरानी करना. Its synonyms are observe, watch, oversee. Example sentences. The security guard was instructed to monitor the surveillance cameras for any suspicious activity. Mentor. It means a wise and trusted advisor, teacher or guide, usually with more experience in a particular field. यानी एक अक्लमंद और काबिल एतमाद मुशीर, उस्ताद या रहनुमा, आम तौर पर किसी ख़ास शोबे में जो कि उसी शोबे में उसका ज़्यादा तजुर्बा हो. Its synonyms are guide, coach, tutor. Example sentences. As a mentor, she provided valuable insights and guidance to help the new employee navigate the challenges of the workplace. Complacent and complaisant. Complacent means a state of self-satisfaction or smugness, often accompanied by unawareness or indifference to potential dangers, flaws or criticisms. यानी इससे मुराद खुद इत्मीनानी की हालत है जो कि अक्सर मुमकिन ख़तरात, खामियों या तनकीदों से लाइल्मी या बेहिसी के साथ होती है. Its synonyms are self-satisfied, smug, content, unconcerned, self-congratulatory. Example sentences. After several successful projects, he became complacent about improving his skills, thinking he had nothing more to learn. Complaisant. Complaisant describes a person who is inclined to please others, cooperative and accommodating. यानी इससे मुराद एक ऐसा शख्स है जो कि दूसरों को खुश करने की तरफ माइल होता है और ताउन करने वाला होता है. Its synonyms are accommodating, obliging, agreeable, cooperative and helpful. Example sentences. Maria's complacent nature made her the favorite team member, always ready to assist and collaborate with her colleagues. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.